talk about music, the sounds that we hear makes us fall in love with the artist. But when we go deeper, there is a visual identity that becomes as important as the music of the artist. An album cover, it is an artistic form of communication, used to attract attention and give some information about what's on the music of the artist. You can see it as an invitation to the customer to listen to your music. With Placeit's album cover maker, you can now judge an album by its cover. Be able to make an album or a single cover in less than 5 minutes, with super amazing results such as professional look, high quality, and unique style. Make your next hit cover stand out from the rest with an incredibly photorealistic mockup. You won't have to wait to produce a photo shoot to design an album cover in time for your release. Once you have that perfect cover, it's time to super easy create amazing marketing material that will allow you to promote your album or single like the pros. Drop your cover into a mockup of a CD cover. Create amazing mockups for your pre-launch announce in your social media networks. Vintage is back, right? What if you promote your album with a vinyl record cover mockup? The only step that you need to follow is choosing the scene to place your cover and adjust some color settings to get your perfect image, ready to be posted everywhere. And with the unlimited subscription, you can get unlimited access to these and more mockups translated into more ways to promote your music for only $29 a month. Imagine your album cover in a t-shirt or the name of your band in a hoodie. So what's your style? Pop, rock, jazz, country or J-pop? You name it. You can express yourself and let your style talk for you. Wait no more and start designing the image of your music. Having a seductive cover will totally improve your promotional efforts and ultimately your sales. Look no more and give it a try. See why Placeit's album cover maker is the best for your music marketing.